afternoon, students. So, today is Tuesday. It is grammar class. Get ready. Do you remember in the previous class we started chapter number 2. Do you remember that? And chapter number 2, page number 5. Okay. Page number 5, we were doing that exercises, isn't it? We are doing that exercise. Okay. So, I just repeat, page number 5. Students, page number 5, get ready. Number I. Yes, very good afternoon. Yes, I know it is completed, but I just repeat, okay? So, number I, 1, AS, assertive. Number 2, EX. Number 3, IN. Number 4, IM. Number 5, AS. Number 6, IM. Number 7, IM. Number 8, AS. Number 9, IN, interrogative. Number 10, EX. Okay. Now, number J. Rewrite the following groups of words as sentences. The first word of each sentence is underlined. The kind of sentence to be formed is mentioned in the brackets. So, we will make sentence and what type of sentence it is given in the bracket. The first one, we will make it exclamatory. So, just write, how cluttered your bed and table look, exclamation mark. Number 2, the teaching of mathematics should be made more interesting. Number 3, forget set to alarm, do the not. So, students, in the book you will write with pencil. Hey, what is this? Jadin and Aushnik. Jadin, you please tell me the meaning. Niladri kicked out ma'am. What is this? And Aushnik, Niladri, why did you kicked out ma'am? What is the meaning? What is the meaning? Jadin, you just make it clear. What is the meaning of Niladri kicked out ma'am? What is this? What happened? Aushnik, can you explain? Shubham, it is not good morning. Next, number 3. Do not forget to set the alarm. Students, number 3. Forget set to alarm, do the not. Do not forget. Do not forget to set the alarm. Number 4. Going among the to the prize winners who distribute his prize. Interrogative. Okay. Who is going আউশনিক, what is this? কেউ একজন ট্রাই কর। Video is not on. Okay. Page number 5. Okay. So you can see the board. Students, board is clear. Okay. Next. Number 5. Make it interrogative. Okay. Did you write this essay without taking help? Yes? Muted. Off. Shurajit, are you doing something? Shurajit. Shuradeep, is it true? Oof. Now it is on. Okay. Students, don't do these naughty things, okay? Now, did you write this essay without taking help from? Next, number 6. Page number 6. Page number 6. Who is asking? Number 7. Before you're eating, carefully wash food hands. Wash your hands. Carefully before you're eating. Number 8. All the members of the marriage party were, yes, wash your hands, where it is written regularly. Who is saying? At first tell me your name. Okay, Devushmi. Devushmi. What you told just now? Regularly is not written here. Regularly is given. This word is given here. Number 7. In your book. But in my book it is written here carefully. Oh, maybe the new publication, maybe in the new publication it is written regularly, but in the old publication, you know, in my book it is written here carefully. Okay, so if it is there regularly, then you write. Understood? In my book it is carefully. That's why. All the members of the marriage party were well dressed. Number 9. I saw an yes. Write in your book. essay without taking help from anybody? Question mark. Number 6, what a beautiful sight the rainbow is! Exclamation mark. Number 7, wash your hand regularly before you're eating. Number 8, all the members of the marriage party were well dressed. Full stop. Number 9, I saw an ape-like creature running hill up quickly. Okay. Now the next one. Wait, let me write. Okay, question mark. So, this chapter is completed. Okay, yes. What is the meaning of? Essay. Essay is a composition, you know. For example, paragraph, as we write paragraph for on a subject. When we write a few sentences on some topic, that is paragraph. Essay also the same thing, composition. Okay. Ma'am, the 7th number is not that I have another question. Okay, ma'am, the 7th number is not that I have another question. 7 number. Oh, you know students, in my book it is written here, I am writing the question. Students, wait. In my book, okay, in my book, number 7 is your, before, your, eating, carefully, wash, food, hands, imperative. Listen students, that's why, wait, let me complete. That's why I wrote here carefully. Okay, in my book it is written, that's why I wrote carefully. If in your book the sentence is different, then write on your own, no problem. Okay, because this book is former edition, maybe that's why the problem is there. Understood? Students, you write on your own, only number 7. Who is asking? Shupriti. Who can help Shupriti? Deboshmi, can you help Shupriti? Yes, then write your answer. Then write your answer. Write your answer so that Shupriti can get the answer. Okay. Write number 5 and 6. Isn't it Shupriti? Okay, I will also tell, but let your friends write. Number 5. Did you write this essay without taking help from anybody? Number 5. Did you write this essay without taking help from anybody? Number 5. And then number 6. what a beautiful sight the rainbow is. What a beautiful sight the rainbow is. So students, are you writing number 5 and 6 to help your friend? Yes, number 5 we got. Then write number 6. Right, do fast. I already told number 6. So students, chapter 2 is completed. Now we will move to chapter number 4. Chapter number 3 will not do right now. At first we will do chapter 4. So Shupriti, you got your answers? Shupriti? Hey Debushmi, exclamation mark at the end, exclamation mark. And Srijita, question mark, where is the question mark? And D capital letter. Did you write this essay without taking help anybody? Question mark. And Adriti, what a beautiful sight the rainbow is! Exclamation mark. But Devoshmi and Srijita both are correct. You put the exclamation mark. So now come to page number 10, chapter 4. We will do chapter 4 first. Chapter 4 is parts of speech. Parts of speech, all the words are divided into 8 classes. Noun, okay, then adjective, then pronoun, noun, adjective, pronoun, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. At first, noun. Noun, naming words are noun. You all know that, isn't it? Naming words are noun. For example, Ram is a good boy. Ram, noun. Boy, noun. Then adjective. Adjective tells us what kind of, how many, the thing, the animal is. Okay, that is adjective. For example, Ram is a good boy. What type of boy? Good boy. Good, adjective. Then comes pronoun. Pronoun is used in the place of noun. Ram is a good boy. He goes to school. He means Ram. So he is used in the place of Ram. He is pronoun. So we got noun, then we got adjective, then pronoun, and then comes verb. Doing words are verb, and you know students, it is not possible to write a sentence without a verb. Ram is going to school. Is going, doing verb, doing words. That's why is doing verb. Ram is a good boy. Is verb. Then comes adverb. An adverb is a word that adds to the meaning of a verb. For example, his dress, her dress. What you told? What you told? Okay, here the lion roared angrily. Okay, angrily. That is adverb. He is reacting violently. Violently, ly. That is adverb. Then comes preposition. A preposition is a word that shows relation between a noun or a pronoun and some other words in a sentence. For example, the cat is hiding under the bed. Under is a preposition. He is standing on the chair. On, that is preposition. Then comes conjunction. Conjunction is a word that is used to join words, group of words or sentences. For example, Ram is a good boy. Ram is a good boy, but he is very naughty. Here, but, this word joins these two sentences. Ram is a good boy, but he is very naughty. So, these two sentences are joined by the word but. But is a conjunction. He is doing his words neatly and clearly. And is conjunction. Then comes interjection. An interjection is a word that expresses sudden feeling. Okay. For example, the earthquake has destroyed many villages. exclamation mark. And you know students, for interjection exclamation mark we should put exclamation mark. Alas, ALAS exclamation mark. Ah, oh exclamation mark. These are interjection. Okay, clear students? So in the next class we will continue this chapter. Okay, so till then, goodbye students. Bye bye. Bye students.